During the installation process of Nichiha's architectural wall panels, there could be several occasions where you'll need to cut the top shiplap off the panel in order for it to fit into your space. By doing this, you'll need to face fasten it to the wall for a secure fit. The first step to face fastening a panel is to cut a piece of corrugated shim to the size of your space. Note that you'll cut 2 small pieces of shim if you're face fastening a manufactured outside corner. The shims are used to keep an air gap and rain screen space behind the panel or corner after face fastening. Position the shim 1 inch from the top edge of the wall space you're trying to complete. Then tack the shim into place with roofing nails. With your panel or corner cut to the exact size needed and cut sides painted for moisture protection, you're ready to face fasten it to your wall. First, slide the bottom shiplap onto the piece below it. Next, determine where your studs are located and apply a piece of painter's tape onto the panel in the same area where your shim meets the studs. The tape will be used when applying the final patch to cover your hole. Then, using a countersink bit, pre-drill a hole into each taped location on the panel or corner all the way through the shim and wall structure. Note that if you're face fastening a manufactured corner, you'll want to drill your hole 1 inch from the top and 1 inch from the side of your corner. In this case, we're using an exterior-grade, fully threaded number 9 bugle head trim screw. Countersink the screw just below the surface of the face of your panel or corner. To patch, clear any tape from inside the hole. The purpose of the tape is to ensure a very clean and precise patch without it feathering out. Now, apply a small amount of patch compound into each hole. You'll notice that the compound will puff out a little bit, but don't worry, it will shrink as it dries. Reapply patch as needed. Once your patch is completely dry, you're ready to paint. First, sand the patch compound so it's smooth and flush with the panel. Then paint your patches with a color that closely matches the core coloring of the panel. Allow the panel to thoroughly dry, as it's never recommended to remove the painter's tape when the paint is still wet. Once the paint is fully dry, remove the painter's tape to reveal your completed patch. You have now successfully face fastened your panel or corner to the wall. For more information about Nichiha's architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.